Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join me as we explore the stylish world of Princess Victoria of Sweden. From stunning gowns to chic daytime outfits, we will dive into her fashion evolution and iconic looks. Get ready for inspiration from one of Europe's most fashionable royals and discover the fashion secrets of Crown Princess Victoria. In this video, we will examine her most memorable outfits, fashion trends, and red carpet appearances. Get an inside look at Swedish royal style and Victoria's timeless elegance. Royal elegance. Princess Victoria stunts in gorgeous gown at the Swedish royal place, and Crown Princess Victoria's style game is a strong, loving this chic outfit for her latest engagement. A vision in blue. Princess Victoria's stunning dresses at Noble. Princess Victoria's casual chic is perfection. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Crown Princess Victoria of Sweden, born July 14, 1977, is the eldest child of King Carl XVI Gustav and Queen Sylvia. She is the heir apparent to the Swedish throne. Princess Victoria studied at the Swedish National Defense College and the University of. She also spent time abroad studying in France and Germany. As Crown Princess, Victoria undertakes various royal duties including official visits, engagements, and charity work. In 2010, Princess Victoria married Daniel Westling, a Swedish fitness trainer. They have two children, Princess Ashley and Princess Oscar. Princess Victoria is renowned for her elegant style, often wearing Swedish designers. She has been named one of the world's most best dressed women. Discover the stylish world of Princess Victoria, from stunning gowns to chic daytime outfits. We explore her fashion evolution and get an inside look at Princess Victoria's most memorable outfits, fashion trends, and red carpet appearances. And royal elegance. Princess Victoria stunts in gorgeous gown. Crown Princess Victoria's style game is a strong, loving this chic outfit. A vision in blue. Princess Victoria's stunning Nobel Prize ceremony gown. Princess Victoria's casual chic is perfection. Glamorous. Princess Victoria attends a state dinner in style. So now look at her new photographs. Princess Victoria at the Swedish royal place. Crown Princess Victoria official portrait. Princess Victoria's stunning Nobel Prize ceremony gown. Princess Victoria's casual daytime outfit. And Princess Victoria attending a state dinner. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Princess Victoria's stunning 2019 Nobel Prize ceremony gown designed by Swedish designers showcase her elegance. Victoria's 2010 wedding dresses designed by Per Edishin was a fairy tale like a masterpiece. At the 2017 state dinner in Stockholm, Victoria wore a breathtaking red gown by Swedish designer Oscar Jacobos. Victoria's 2018 visit to the Swedish Design Center showcased her casual yet stylish life. Official portraits of Princess Victoria highlights her poise and regal beauty. At the 2015 Royal Gala dinner, Victoria wore a stunning blue gown by Swedish designer H&M. Victoria's 2019 Royal Oscar outfit featuring a Philip Tichy hard executed classic British style. Victoria often promotes Swedish designs, wearing brands like Asian Studios and others too. Victoria advocates for sustainable fashion, wearing outfits and choosing eco-friendly designers. Formal events attire consistently showcase her impeccable style. Victoria's bold color blocking outfits like her 2017 visit make a statement. Victoria pattern maxi 6 were on display during her 2019 visit the Swedish Museum of Performing Arts. And Victoria's accessories like her favorite tiara add a touch of glamour. Victoria's hot counter moments like her 2015 visit to Paris Fashion Week showcase her fashion experiments. Victoria's style coats and jackets keep her warm and chic during Swedish winter. Victoria's fashion choices during diplomatic visit promote Swedish culture, and Victoria's style has evolved over the year, reflecting her growing confidence. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Victoria's flowing inspired gown at the 2012 Swedish 12th place dinner was breathtaking. Victoria's cozy winter outfits featuring 4 creamed coats and warm hats showcase her cold weather style. Victoria's lightweight pastel colored dresses for summer events embody effortless elegance. Victoria's willingness to take fashion risks like her 2019 strip pays off. Victoria's use of texture fabrics like velvet and lace adds depth to her outfits. Statement sleeves seen in her 2020 Nobel Prize ceremony gown make a fashion statement. Victoria's elegant, natural colored outfits like her 2017 state dinner gown showcase timeless sophistication. Victoria's mixed print outfits like her 2018 visit display for fashion creativity. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, if you like this video, please tell me in the comment box and share this video with your family and friends. So my beautiful viewers, I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorials and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best life. So my goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video. And you will get to see the latest fashion, trend and style from American woman, Belgian woman, Swedish woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. And I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, report and style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion. Today let's explore the world of fashion together. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.